We've brewed up a list of the top 4 best coffee machines in 2024 to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Portable 3-in-1 espresso machine. I was initially skeptical about the portability and taste of a machine this size. However, I was pleasantly surprised. While it might not match the flavor profile of a high-end home espresso machine, it delivers a surprisingly robust shot. The convenience of using it in the car is unparalleled, making it a must-have for long drives. Should you buy it? If you prioritize portability and versatility without sacrificing taste, this machine is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy the freedom of coffee on the go. Number 2. ITOP Commercial Bean Roaster. Roasting your own beans is a rewarding experience, and this machine makes it accessible to home baristas. The ability to experiment with different roast profiles is incredible. The learning curve is steep, but the results are worth the effort. Should you buy it? If you're passionate about coffee and want to explore the art of roasting, this machine is an investment. Be prepared to dedicate time to mastering the process. Number 3. Houseland Espresso Machine. The Houseland delivers a rich, flavorful espresso with a satisfying crema. The milk frother is efficient and produces velvety microfoam. It's a solid choice for those who enjoy experimenting with different coffee drinks. Should you buy it? If you want a versatile machine that can handle various coffee drinks and produces high-quality results, the Houseland is a great option. Number 4. ITOP Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker. The ITOP delivers a consistent espresso with a good crema. While it lacks some of the advanced features of other machines, it's reliable and easy to clean. Should you buy it? If you prefer a hands-on approach to espresso making and value simplicity, this machine is a good choice.